1 cup, second, third one. According to recent calculations, 3 billion teacups are drunk daily in the world. Wonder drink became so deeply ingrained in the life of humans that we sometimes even fail to notice putting a kettle on a stove. There are thousands of ways of best-loved beverage brewing. Outlook offers the best of them to your attention. Sun rises in the east, therefore we start from Tibetan recipe. Local monks know a plenty of tea preparation variations, but butter tea stands especially high by them. After exhaustible prayers and meditations, they deliberately sip this nectar, peering into the distance, not only into the horizon, but also into their own souls. Butter tea is made of strong brick tea, 50-75 dried leaves per liter of water, and yak's milk butter, 1 to 100 grams per liter of water. While the drink is slowly stirred, not sugar, but salt is added to taste. Being just about the basis of Tibetan inhabitants' menu, it helps to recharge energies that are so necessary for complicated mountain passes. Locals say that conquering a peak, you conquer yourself. Monks even measure distance in amount of butter tea drunk. For instance, 8 kilometers of a route is about 3 big tea bowls. Hindus believe tea to be their national beverage. Of all its species, masala chai is the most popular. Its recipe is pretty simple, therefore every eager person can try a piece of India without leaving home. For that it is necessary to boil half a liter of water, add hashed ginger, 5 cardamom pods, 7 clove flower buds, and the scent of Indian suburbs is already in your kitchen. The last ingredient is a teaspoon of dark pu'er. The blend is boiled for 15 seconds, exactly after that milk and cream are added. Then the drink is brought to a boil once again, taken off fire and let draw. Love to tea passed from Easterners to Europeans too. Brits, who obtained a lot from their Asian colonies, can't imagine their lives without it. It is for a reason that daily 5 o'clock is just about raison d'etre for the majority of Englishmen, and a popular anecdote only proves it. There is a fire in a British hotel. Screaming comes from every window. "Water! Please get water!" When suddenly a gentleman hands out from the window on the 3rd floor and pronounces in a dignified manner, "And some tea to room 13, please." Classical English method of brewing the favorite drink is as follows. First, dry kettle is warmed up a bit. Then tea is put into it in the amount of 1 small teaspoon per cup plus 1 spoon per kettle. Then the leaves are twice poured with boiling water and let draw. Meanwhile, 1/3 of a cup is filled with warm but non-boiled milk, and it is that the tea is added into. If you do it vice versa, Englishmen may refuse a drink. It is really essential for them. Caucasians are notorious for their temper, and apparently their big heart isn't touched by wine alone. Thus, in cold seasons, tea in Georgian style is especially popular, and its features aren't limited to warming up. The following recipe is used in Georgia. 3 cups of preliminary brewed tea are poured into a pot. Honey and a shot of vodka is added there as well, stirred and brought to boiling, but not boiled. Then the beverage is let draw and poured into cups. Sure enough, such tea time doesn't pass without toasts. And how do you brew tea? You may have unique recipes of your own that you would like to share, don't you? During long nights, one can hardly help reaching for a cup with the precious contents.